So yeah, so the correct answer for this question is this one here. Well, let's try to understand why. Well, power is defined as the amount of energy transferred per time. So you'd be able to calculate by energy transferred divided by time. Voltage is the amount is, without going into too much detail, I think we did a lesson on this a while ago. I said it was the change in energy per charge. Well, let's just simplify that as saying the energy per charge. Okay, and then current. Well, current is the amount of charge flows by a point per time. So that would be charge over time. So if we rearrange some of these now, and we say that energy is therefore equal to voltage times charge, and we can rearrange this one. Time is equal to Q charge over current. If you're unsure about how I rearrange this one, then draw a triangle and check that out. If you're still unsure, then I can help you out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do power is equal to energy over time. So power is equal to energy over time. That's the same thing as saying energy multiplied by 1 over time. And energy is VQ, voltage times charge. And time is Q over I. Now 1 over time would be equal to the upside down version of itself, which is like that. And now we can see that the charge, the Q, cancels out. And so it's going to be voltage times current, which is this one here. Okay.